Hello, viewers. Good evening and welcome to my page. Now, this is a case of the hunter becoming the hunted. As it stands now, you could recall that the EFCC has been after the former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. So, before the case started, while the EFCC was actually attempting or trying to arrest Yahaya Bello, he ran to a Kogi State High Court, got an order restraining the EFCC from actually arresting or prosecuting him. Now, EFCC said, no, we're a federal agency and this is a federal matter. EFCC approached another court, a federal high court in Abuja, which granted the EFCC an order to arrest and prosecute the former governor of Kogi State. Now, here is the issue. While the case was ongoing, Yahaya Bello actually went into hiding. And while in hiding, today it was reported that he actually asked his lawyers to uh, go back to the Kogi State High Court and actually petition the EFCC chairman to show cause why he should not be committed to prison. What it means is that the court now has summoned the EFCC chairman to come and tell them why they should not sentence the EFCC chairman to prison. This is very funny, right? But before I come back to analyze this, because like I said, it's like the hunter becoming the hunted. But before I analyze further, let's take a look at this news.
Yahaya Bello, court orders EFCC boss Olukoyede to appear over alleged contempt. A Kogi High Court in Lokoja on Friday ordered the chairman of the EFCC, Mr. Ola Olukoyede, to appear before it on May 13th to show why he should not be committed for alleged disobeying its order. Justice I.A. Jamil of High Court IV gave the order while ruling in suit number HCL/68M/2024 and motion number HCL/190M/2024 brought before him by ex-Governor Yahaya Bello of Kogi in Lokoja. The said act was carried out by the respondents EFCC in violation of the order, which was valid and subsisting when they carried out the act. That same act of the respondent amounts to contempt, the judge said. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that the EFCC boss is facing a contempt charge for alleged carrying out some acts upon which they, the EFCC, have been restrained by the court on February 9, pending the determination of the substantive originating motion. EFCC operatives had on April 17 laid siege on the residence of the former governor, Alhaji Yahaya Bello, in a bid to arrest him, in spite a court order restraining them from taking such action, pending the determination of the originating motion. Justice Jami's order was based on a motion ex parte filed by Yahaya Bello through his lawyer M.S. Yusufu. Bello prayed the court for an order to issue and serve the respondent EFCC chairman with Form 49 notice to show cause why order of committal should not be made on Olukoyede. The judge, after listening to the arguments of the applicant's counsel, the submission and exhibit attached in the written address, granted Bello's prayer and ordered Olukoyede to be summoned to appear before the court to answer the contempt charge. The applicant's application before me is to the effect that the respondent has carried out some acts upon which they have been restrained by the court on February 9, pending the determination of the substantive motion on notice before this court. That the said act was carried out by the respondent in violation of the order, which was valid and subsisting when they carried out those acts. That same act of the respondent amounts to acts of contempt. It's against the above facts that this court hereby grants the prayer sought in line with the principle of audi ultra partem, which means listening to the other side. This matter is adjourned to May 13 for the respondent's chairman to appear before this court in answer to Form 49 ordered to be served on him, the judge said.
You've seen the news, right? This is very funny. How can a man whom should be the hunted becoming the hunter? It's very funny. EFC chairman did not steal money. He did not misappropriate funds. Why should a court in Kogi State now order him to appear before them to show cause why he should not be committed to prison for committing contempt of court? Now, this is the problem we have in our judiciary system. Why will two high courts issue varying orders? Why? This is the reason why we don't believe, like personally, I don't believe in Nigerian justice system. This is the reason why a lot of people don't believe in the Nigerian justice system because two courts of competent jurisdiction, one domiciled in Kogi State, the other having its jurisdiction in Abuja, both courts now having contradicting orders. Why? This boils down to corruption. Nigeria is fantastically corrupt, very, very corrupt. If it is not corruption, why are two courts issuing different orders? Why? So please let me know what you think in the comment section. But before that, we are going to watch as this matter unfolds, and I'm going to always give you updated information as it unfolds. Will the EFCC chairman be actually serving a prison sentence, or will Yahaya Bello come to answer his charges after having been proven that he actually misappropriated over $800,000? So let us see as this matter unfolds. Thank you for joining me, and see you in my next video. Bye.